So what's the fastest USB drive for DJs? I'm gonna let you into a secret straight away. It ain't this one. This one's atrocious. This is a Corsair Stealth Survivor. I've had this for many, many, many years. It's great. It's well built. It's kind of like bulletproof. It takes hours to get music on and off it. This is probably the worst I've ever used on CDJs. You know, we need USB drives as DJs for one thing specifically, which is to export our music onto them and then to go and put it into club gear or to standalones like the AZ or the Prime 4 Plus or whatever. And there needs to be a specific type of drive to do that properly, because they've got to handle lots of very little files. And so you find that good drives from well-renowned manufacturers such as this one just aren't up for the job. And there's a massive discrepancy between the different manufacturers and the different types of USB drives. So our friends over at DJ TechTools, who have not sponsored this, but I love DJ TechTools. They're a small independent company just like us, by DJs for DJs and all that. They always seem to come up with these little things that we didn't know we needed. They have come up with a USB drive, which, full disclosure, I don't have yet. They're going to send me one so I can test it and tell you whether what I'm about to share with you is true, but I have no doubt that it is. They've come up with a USB drive that's got a couple of things that make it a really good choice for DJs. So the first thing is, it's fast. So they've sent me a graph, which I'm going to test to make sure that they're not putting the wool over my eyes, that says it's the fastest for DJs out there. Sometimes by just a little bit over some of the competitors, and sometimes by a long amount. So that's the first thing. It's very well built, like this one. This is very well built, I'll give it that. So it's not going to break anytime soon. You know, durability is important. A lot of these drives are pretty flimsy, right? Or they've got a little cap you can lose or whatever. Another thing I really like about it is that they've made it USB-A and USB-C. So if you've got USB-C, the new type socket on your computer, you can plug it into there, get the music on, and then flip it around USB-A to plug into DJ gear. Now, no doubt DJ gear in the future is going to all be USB-C. It's all going to be the new type. We're not quite there yet. So having a drive that's got them both, it just kind of makes sense. And the final thing is, which is a bit of a gimmick, but I like it, they will engrave it as part of your order. So basically when you order it, you tell them what you want on it and they'll engrave it for you, which is two things. One, it's quite nice. But secondly, if someone whips it, then it's obviously yours. So until they've got all the music off it and kind of hidden it somewhere and got rid of it, then it's obvious they've just stolen your USB drive. Call me paranoid. I just think that's quite cool that your name's on it, making it a little bit harder for someone to surreptitiously steal all your music and then no one else to find out what they've done. Anyway, this looks really cool. I thought I'd tell you about it nice and early. As I say, they promised to send me one, so I will give you a proper test of it. But if you're looking for a USB drive that is durable and fast and that is made for DJs, check this one out. However, this is the table that they provided, which shows the current state of play among some of the big names. So you can see A, the difference, and B, if you do want to go and just buy one now straight off Amazon, well, you can see the couple that get close to this new one from DJ TechTools. And that's it. Thanks for watching. That is the current state of play on the fastest USB drives for DJs. Let us know your buy and your do not buy at any cost USB drives in the comments underneath. And if you're a technical bod and you know more about why there's such a big difference, do share that as well. I'm interested to know, not being so hugely technically minded that way myself. Till next time then, get good, get out there, make the moments, and I will see you again very soon.